What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to recover the deleted photos and videos in your Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So first of all, open gallery. Now here tap on this option and then tap on recycle bin. Now here you will find all your deleted photos and videos that you have deleted in previous 30 days. Now if you want to recover a video or a photo, then tap and hold on it. And then from this menu tap on restore. And after that, that photo or video will be restored back to your gallery. So that's how you can restore photos and videos that you have deleted in Samsung Galaxy S25 or Plus. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.